Hey folks, Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to talk about way. And this way is going to be the method of doing stuff, like step by step, right? So we talked about 어느 쪽으로, right? 어떻게, that kind of thing, right? Before, but this time we're going to use the special word, which is exactly by the method for doing something, and that's step by step. And that word is 방법. Now you might know this word 법 from 문법. 문법 means grammar, and 문 is words and sentences, that kind of thing, and 법 and way, right? So 방법 is about the method, right, for doing stuff, right? So we can use like copy machine, right? So 복사, copy, 기계, machine. So 복사 기계 방법. 무엇이에요? What is that, right? So how to use that, right? So we can use that. We can also use 사용. It's a good word for us to use. It's a good word, right? 사용, 사용. And that's 사용하다, right? 사용하다, 사용하다, 사용하다. 사용 is use, right? And 사용하다 is to use something, right? So 마카 사용. 해요. I'm using the marker, right? So 방법, 사용. So also kind of get this contraction, right? Especially if it's the steps for using something, right? We'll get this contraction that will be 사용법, 사용법, right? So we get 사용법, right? 사용법 무엇이에요, right? So it's really, really useful for us to ask for the method for how to use something. We can also use it for vocabulary or sentence structures, right, that we're learning, or so we can use that. So 사용법 무엇이에요? So how can I use this word, right? Like before we had 기고, right? 고기, right? 고기, 기고. 고기 is meat, 기고 is contribution. There's another meaning for that too, but let's stick to these two for now. So 기고, 사용법 무엇이에요? So how can I use the word 기고? So very, very useful thing for us to have to add to our repertoire and to our vocabulary list, right? So I hope you can get that right away into your Korean language and practice and use. And I hope it helps you a lot. All right. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please click that little thumbs up down there and click subscribe, share, leave a question or a comment if you've got one. And please be sure to check out the links below to LearnKoreanFast.com and to my books on Amazon, because it really does help me out. Okay? Thanks a lot. 다음에 뵙시다.